What's up guys, Tubal Kane here. In this week's video, we're going to be making us a slapper hammer out of this old file. Let's get to fabricating. Alright guys, first things first, I'm just going to clean this up a little bit. This is an old wood file I found in the toolbox. It's been sitting in there for years and years. It's really aggressive on one side and it's a little bit more fine on the other side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grind the fine side off, and I think I'm just going to leave this aggressive side because it's kind of cool to have that aggressiveness on the back side just for the hell of it. So let's start with grinding that off. Okay, so real quick, what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure this because I really like the size of this slapper right here. So it looks like it's about 6 inches. So I'm going to go with I'm going to make this one a little bit bigger, about 6.5 inches or so. And the reason I'm doing this is because I want to keep a little bit of this aggressive file for my handle, give us a little more grip. So let's see, so we'll stop grinding so much about right here. So this side, what the? Don't look square. Yeah, square. Optical illusion going on right here. That line does not look square to me, but it is. It definitely is. So anyway, let's continue grinding this thing. Another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clamp this down. I'm going to use something a little more aggressive. Now I don't want this on my handle, so we'll take some of that off. Let's go ahead and mark our 6.5 inches again. That'll be our bend line. I really like this handle. This is the handle I cut off of a Harbor Freight slapper hammer. So I'm gonna kind of mimic that one. This should give us a nice handle. Another 6.5 inches. Pretty cherry. I actually want to keep this. It's just the old patented file. I want to keep that, so we'll make this handle a little bit longer. One inch wide. Let's measure center. Seven eighths inch is half. We're going to cut this down to 1 inch. So now let's go ahead and bend this to give us some room for our knuckles. So I'm going to put this in the vise. Better yet, I'm going to go this way. I'm going to get a nice neutral flame going. That ought to work. Okay. Let's polish it up a little bit. All right, this is already looking pretty good, so I'm just gonna hit it with a couple of pieces. This is 400, and then I'm gonna hit it with 600. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you think you can make yourself one of these now, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.